Unwrapping the magic of sleigh bells ringing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very festive phrase that you've probably heard in songs or read in stories: sleigh bells ringing. Let's embark on a journey to understand not just the meaning, but also the imagery and emotions this phrase evokes, making it a beloved part of winter celebrations around the world. When we break down the phrase, sleigh bells ringing, we're talking about a very specific sound. Sleighs, which are vehicles traditionally used on snow, are often depicted in literature and songs as being pulled by horses or reindeer. These sleighs carry bells that jingle or ring, creating a distinct, cheerful sound. The ringing of these bells serves not just as a way to signal the presence of the sleigh, but also to add to the festive atmosphere of the winter season. The sound of sleigh bells ringing is rich with imagery. It conjures up visions of snowy landscapes, cozy winter nights, and joyous holiday celebrations. This phrase is particularly prevalent in Christmas music and stories, where it symbolizes the approach of something delightful or the beginning of a festive occasion. It evokes feelings of warmth, joy, and nostalgia, transporting listeners or readers to a magical winter wonderland. One of the most famous references to sleigh bells ringing is in the classic Christmas song, Jingle Bells. The song describes a fun and spirited ride on a sleigh through the snow, with the bells jingling all the way. This song, along with numerous stories and poems, has cemented the phrase's association with holiday cheer and wintertime festivities. We hope this exploration of sleigh bells ringing has added a little more magic to your understanding of the English language and its capacity to evoke vivid images and emotions. This phrase is a beautiful reminder of how language can connect us to seasons, celebrations, and shared human experiences. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures together. Happy learning, and may the joyful ringing of sleigh bells fill your days with happiness.